Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, there is no way of achieving weight loss without doing anything about your diet. Weight gain is closely associated with the kind of foods we eat. If you eat the right kind of food, you will have the right kind of weight. There are many weight loss products and diet plans on the market that promise rapid weight loss. A lot of people have tried such diets without results. What most people don't know is that they can create their own weight loss diet plans. Whatever the case, a weight loss diet must be adapted to suit each individual because we all have different bodies. Our bodies react differently to certain conditions and factors. That is why each individual must create a weight loss diet plan that suits his or her own body. Here are a few principles that should guide your diet plan. Take out the bad foods. There are certain foods that are not good for human consumption. Fatty meats, refined carbohydrates, sugary foods and all other junk foods are dangerous weight gain foods. Even those who don't have weight problems must avoid such foods. There are certain schools of thought that believe you can eat anything provided you are able to burn the calories. But there are certain foods that are difficult to burn. Include the right kind of foods. When you take out the bad foods, there must not be a vacuum. They must be replaced with the right kinds of foods such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean meat and fish. These foods will provide the needed nutrients that your body need to function properly. Size matters. The quantity of food you eat during the day is very important when you are trying to lose weight. If you eat more, you will have more extra calories to store. That is why people trying to lose weight are advised to eat small amounts of food at regular intervals rather than one-stop large meals. Small quantities are easily digested, and the calories easily burned. Eating small regular meals reduces cravings for food, which lead to eating the wrong kind of food. Water is important. There is no substitute for water in a weight loss diet. Make sure you drink about 8 glasses of pure water during the day. Sugar drinks such as soda are not water. The sugar in such drinks only adds more calories to your system.